Alright, so we're going to do the following circuit. So we have to find for IB. So let's write the direction of current first. Let's call this I1 and let's call this I2. And IB is already given. So let's write and let's call this node V. So for node V, it will be I1 plus I2 equals IB. Okay? So let's find the equations. So for IB, it's going to be, this point is 12 volts. So it goes from high potential to low potential. So it'll be 12 minus V over 250. For I1, it goes from high potential, V, to low potential, so the ground node, which is 0 volts. So it goes from V minus 0 all over 50. I2 is where it gets tricky. So this is a dependent voltage source. As V goes through a dependent voltage source, it comes out of the negative terminal, so it drops by 60 IB volts. So at this point, it will be V minus 60 IB. Okay, so this is our voltage at this point, and then it goes from high potential to low potential. So it'll be V minus 60 IB minus 0 all over 150. So we already have everything figured out, and we can substitute this into our IB. But let's do that later. So let's first set everything up. V over 50 plus I2, V minus 60 IB all over 150. And let's not plug in the IB yet. Let's just leave it as IB for now. Okay, so let's break this up. Alright. So using the calculator, adding these two up, we should get 0.02667 V. And then let's bring this to the other side. So it'll be 1 IB plus this whole thing. So it'll be 1 plus 60 over 150. And that gives us 1.4 IB. And let's plug in IB. So we know IB was 12 minus V over 250. So it'll be 12 minus V over 250. Alright, now let's put everything inside. So 120 times 1.4, that's 168, minus V times 1.4, so that's just minus 1.4 times V all over 250. Wait a minute, sorry, it's not 120, it's just 12. My mistake. So it's 1.4 times 12, which is 16.8. Alright, so my mistake. So let's break this up more. So 16.8 divided by 250, that's 0.0672 minus 1.4 times minus 1.4 V over 250. That's 0.0056 V. Let's bring this to the other side. So it'll be this plus this, and that gives you 0.03227 V equals 0.0672. Divide both sides by 0.03227, and V will be equal to 2.0824 volts. And now we can plug our V to get our IB into here. So IB is equal to 12 minus 2.0824 all over 250, and that gives you 0.0661 amps. And that's your answer.